I'm Joe Moroney, founder and CEO of Fourth Wall. We create world-class intellectual property for the kids and family entertainment markets, and we're on a journey to rewrite the book on storytelling. We're in the creative heart of Liverpool's bustling Rope Walks district, a city famous for its storytellers, writers and Imagineers. Mark Getty once said, "Intellectual property is the oil of the 21st century," and with our unique business model, we create all of our wholly owned IP in-house. Through the medium of books, TV and film, we've generated a huge portfolio of world-class IP, and we've won numerous international awards. And we'd like to offer you the opportunity to join us on the exciting journey to make Fourth Wall a household name in quality entertainment. Our first animated TV series, Milo, launched on Milkshake on Channel 5 in May this year. Since launch, it's consistently outperformed multi-billion-dollar brands and has generated huge ratings for Channel 5. Milo has already sold to broadcasters in over 40 countries, and we believe Milo has the potential to follow in the footsteps of other internationally recognised properties such as Peppa Pig, which also started life on Milkshake. We raised over $2 million of finance from industry partners to fund the first 52 episodes, and due to the success of season 1, a second season is now in development.
Through our increasing catalogue of children's books, we've already developed hundreds of exciting characters with the potential to be successful global brands. Our books have sold internationally, and our evergreen characters and stories have been enjoyed by children worldwide. Our most successful publishing property to date is The Three Little Super Pigs. It's our What Happened Next twist on the classic fairy tale. In 2018, we partnered with Scholastic, the world's biggest children's publisher, when they acquired the North American rights to the first Super Pigs book. We've since agreed a 5-book deal with over 1 million copies sold to date in the USA. We're an award-winning publishing imprint with a growing back catalogue of over 120 books, and we create all our fresh, exciting IP in-house.
With such a strong supply of wholly owned IP, we're able to choose the best performing properties for our animation pipeline. We've already developed an exciting TV slate based on our content. But TV isn't the end of the story. We're also developing a number of animated movies.
I was first introduced to Joe Moroney back in 2018 when he sold me his vision of Fourth Wall. I was so impressed that not only did I invest, I also joined the company as the head of corporate finance. The market for animated content has changed forever, following the emergence of subscription services such as Netflix and Disney+. Everybody now needs unique, original content, and the great news is that Fourth Wall has it by the bucket load. We're now looking to monetize our IP through animation and licensing. Fourth Wall is a unique combination of an established, profitable business that also offers very high investment returns. And in my opinion, the current valuation looks low compared to the market.
We really hope you've enjoyed our story so far, but this is only the first chapter. We're aiming to become a much talked about producer of quality entertainment, and we invite you to join us for the next phase of this exciting journey.